What we offer is a certified competition for high school students, both in GMAW, gas metal arc welding, and GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding. Each student chooses before the contest what type of welding they wish to compete in. They're given one piece of metal for warm-up, and then they're given their 4 coupons.
The time that high school students spend at our facility really give the students a better idea of what a career or a pathway might look like for them as far as the transition from high school to the community college and then into the work world.
This competition has really brought in so much energy into the community. The direct benefit to students would be is that they are first getting exposed to the professional world, meaning is that what is the expectation industry has from them when they are going to be entering a workspace. They are held to a highest industry standard, meaning the American Welding Society welder qualifications, which they are judged against, and as well eligible to apply for the welder qualification through AWS, which does increase their probability of getting employed.
The purpose of our contest is to give students a taste of what it would be like to be at a community college certified welding program. We see this as a transitional day for them so that they can see that with their high school training, they can improve their job-ready skills and become more hireable by transitioning easily to their local community college.
Since we started doing this competition and many other activities, the average age for both programs at COS has decreased by 10 years. That kind of indirectly correlates that we are truly building the pathways from our feeder high schools to a community college program. I think this is a perfect example of how we should be designing and promoting activities to do what we call more and better CTE and build a strong workforce for California.